Hello, it's Paige, and today we are going to be drawing a Valentine's bear. So it could be a teddy bear, it could be a real bear, but sometimes when you think of Valentine's, you think of warm, cuddly teddy bears that you give someone else, or that you get. Maybe your mom or your dad will give you a teddy bear for Valentine's Day. So what we're drawing today is a bear with some hearts on his feet, hugging a heart. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so to start out, we're going to start out by drawing the heart. Now the heart is a little bit tricky because you see how his fingers are going over the heart? So we want to make sure that our heart doesn't go through his hand because that would look weird. Alright, so we're going to start by going right in the dead center of the piece of paper and go up and do a little rainbow down. So you're going to make the left side a lot longer than the right side of the rainbow. Ooh, there's some stuff on my paper. Okay, now we're going to do the other side of the heart by going up, curve it around, and down. Now we're not going all the way down. So what you do next is on this right where you stopped on your second arch, you're going to do 3 circles. Those are going to be his fingers, just like that. He's going to be holding the heart, so it looks like his fingers are around the heart. Now you're going to go and continue this line to a point. So imagine if this line were to come straight down, you're going to stop the line right there. Now next, we need to do his hand. So we're going to draw another arch right where this line ends. We're going to do a rainbow, and the top of the rainbow is going to hit that line right there. A rainbow. Now you're going to do a backward C, just like that, where the top of the C is touching the bottom of that arc right there. And you're going to do another backward C and curve it in. Perfect. So there's his hand. Now you're going to draw a line coming out of this top arch, coming out like that. Perfect. So to continue the heart, imagine this line is coming down, going through the hand, but we're not drawing it through the hand, and we're going to connect it to this point here. There's our heart. And then we're just going to add a little shine, which is going to be like a moon shape almost. You've ever seen a moon, right? It's like a crescent. It's a part of a moon. Looks like a shine on the heart. Perfect. So now we're going to finish off our arm. We're going to do kind of a line going diagonally down and curve it at the bottom here. And we're going to curve it up like this. And make it end a little bit higher than this horizontal line that you drew earlier. Then on the edge of that line, we're going to draw a curve, just like that. So it's almost half of a C, the bottom half of a C. And we're going to do a U shape like this. And remember, he's hugging the heart, so the heart is going to be in front of everything that we're drawing. So we don't want to draw through the heart. Perfect. Now we're going to add another U shape. And again, don't draw through the heart. We're going to do another U shape, and we're going to not make it go as high as this left side. So you start high, and then you end it a little bit shorter, and you end it right in the middle of his mouth, right here. And we're gonna do the same thing, just like that. Up to the heart, but not through the heart. Perfect. Now you see how we have kind of a point here. If you've ever seen a guitar pick, it looks like that. But how I'm gonna, it's almost like a rounded upside down triangle. So what we do is we do a little baby U and have it come out like that. And then we do a little rainbow on top. And that's the nose. And then you can draw like a little oval inside the nose to represent a shine. Perfect. For the tongue on the inside, we're going to do 2 little rainbows. 1, 2. So the first one, you go down, and then the second one you start kind of in the middle of the side of this one, and you come down to the edge of the mouth. And there's our tongue. So what we do next is we're going to draw our chubby cheeks. You're going to add a curve almost with some jaggedy marks. Just like that. We're going to go zigzagging all the way up the side. Then we're going to do a curve going in like that. And another zigzag to represent his hair. And then down to the heart. On this curve, we're going to add in our ear. So we're going to do a little curve like that. And we'll do a curve like this behind the heart for his other ear. And we're going to put another one right inside of it to represent the inside of the ear. All right. For his eyes, he's going to be hugging it, and he's going to have his eyes closed. So we're just going to do 2 little smiley faces for the eyes. And we're going to do rainbows for his eyebrows. Perfect. Next is the body. We're going to add a line down from his elbow. Just a little line. And so for his toes, we're going to make a rainbow. And the top of that rainbow is connected to that line. And we're going to go curve another rainbow, curve another rainbow on the sides of that middle rainbow. And then we're going to connect those with a big U, a big horseshoe. That's 1 foot. And we're going to do the same thing on this side here. We're going to do 3 rainbows. And then connect those with a big horseshoe U. Perfect. Now you're going to put a line coming straight out from the bottom of his foot here, coming out, curving up, touching his fingers, just like that. And connect his body to his foot over here with 2 lines. For his tail, we're going to add a little puff ball coming out of here, coming out of this line and connecting to his foot. And for the bottoms of his feet, we're going to add hearts on the heels. And we're going to add hearts on the bottom of his toes. Just like that. And for his belly, we're going to add another big U. And remember, we're not going through the heart. Perfect. Now what I did was, in my free space, I kind of drew some lines, curved lines going around him. Like this. Almost like he's swaying and hugging the heart. Just like he's swaying. Perfect. Now you see how my example here looks a little bit different than the one I just drew, and that's okay. Yours is gonna look a lot different than mine is, but that's, you know, that's what I want. That's what I want. I want all of you guys to have different, unique bears, all unique to you. So for coloring, you can make the heart any color you want, but for Valentine's Day, we would mostly do it like a red or a pink or a purple, more of like a Valentine's Day color. The bear himself is going to be brown. I wouldn't make him black because it's going to be hard to see the inside, but I would make him brown. Or you can make it like a Care Bear where it's purple or pink or blue or any other color like that. And then I would make the insides of his, kind of what's on the bottom of his feet and the ears and his tongue all the same color also. And then his nose is going to be black. So that's our bear. I hope you guys had a super fun time drawing it. It always gets me in the mood for Valentine's Day. So, I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.